are the keys? Where are the keys, St. Anthony? St. Anthony, you gotta come and help me. Where are the keys to this church? Are you St. Anthony?
No, I'm Father Ed Shuttleworth. What are you looking for, Father Steve?
I can't find the keys.
I call the janitor.
Oh, no. The keys to unlock the potential of this church. There are so many good people here filled with gifts and abilities, and the world needs them so badly, but we got an old dying gray church getting smaller. We can't even pay our own bills.
Well, Steve, you need the 3 keys of divine renovation.
There are keys to church renovation?
Yes, there are 3 keys. The first one is relying on the Holy Spirit, then prioritizing evangelization, and also cultivating the best in leadership.
I've heard all the jargon, changing from a church of maintenance to a church of mission, leaving behind cultural Catholicism and becoming a personal disciple. I'm afraid I'm just too old a dog to be learning these new tricks. It would be like asking me to go on a Harley Davidson across country, for God's sake. I can't change after 40 years of pastoring.
Steve, I started riding when I was in my 40s. There's a whole beautiful world out there to see. Get on board and join us. We're going to be hosting a special Divine Renovation Conference, Unlocked, on Friday, October 27th. It's designed for pastors, staff, parish leadership, volunteers. We'll talk about those 3 keys of parish renewal. And people will be invited to share their stories, their best practices. You'll find out what's working in other parishes and simply have a chance to meet and be inspired.
How do I get on board?
Just go to the link that comes with this video and click it and sign up to join us. Better yet, bring some of your parish staff and team along with you.
You sure I can make this ride?
Of course you can. Get on board, Steve.
Holy are you sure, Ed? Ay.